Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. How are you all doing today? I hope you guys are fine. Happy New Year to you all. So today I will be making a very beneficial oil for our hair growth. Here I have my oatmeal, so I will be adding about that 3 spoon or 2 spoon of oatmeal. So uh, yeah, I will be adding 3 spoon of oatmeal. You can add as many spoon as you want. Okay, so the next thing I will be adding is fenugreek seed. So here I have my fenugreek. I will be adding that as well. Guys, you can add any amount you want. So the next thing I will be adding clove. So here I have my avocado oil. So guys, at this point you can use any oil of your choice. The most important part is the seed that we use. So here I have my sunflower oil, I have my corn oil, which is so amazing for our hair. So the next oil is my rice oil. Rice oil is so amazing, guys. If you can lay your hand on rice oil, you should start using it on your hair. So the next thing is olive oil, which is good to moisturize our hair if you have a very dry hair. So the next thing I have here is my sweet almond oil. So each oil I'm using 3 spoon of each oil. So here I have my grapeseed oil, which is so good when it comes to our hair growth. So now that is all the oil I will be using. The next thing now I will just start blending all the ingredients together. So oatmeal in oil increase the elasticity and moisture of the hair cuticle, preventing breakage and freeze, and helping hair color last longer by sealing the cuticle. It lock in moisture level by forming a physical barrier for water loss, preventing further dryness and dehydration. Guys, oatmeal oil is so amazing when it comes to our hair. So fenugreek may slow down the ability of DHT to attach to your hair follicles. An animal study had also showed that a herbal oil mixed with fenugreek seed extract can increase hair thickness and growth. So that is fenugreek for you. It can help you to thicken your hair and also help to grow your hair fast. So apply a small amount of clove oil without any mixture to the budding spots on your hair. It stimulates the growth of your hair and revive their follicles. They also provide a better hair shaft and control unwanted hair fall from brushing and washing of our hair. Guys, that is the benefit of the major 3 ingredients that we are using on this video today. So oatmeal oil is so amazing, so I decided to share with you guys that you should start using this oil on your hair. These 3 oil, they are so good. Oatmeal is going to help you to keep your hair moisturized, while the rest is going to help you to grow your hair fast, as in very fast. So now I'm going to pour the oil inside my jug. Guys, I infused it for a whole 30 days, if not even more, because I just allowed this oil to infuse very well, because I will be using it on my hair and for a pre-poo treatment to moisturize my hair. I can even make hair grease out of this because it's a lot of oil. So now I'll just allow it to sit for 30 days. So guys, after 30 days and some days, this is how my oil is looking like now. As you can see, it's so beautiful, and you can tell that every benefit are released themselves inside the oil. So before you strain out your oil, you have to mix it and put it on hot water so that any benefit that is sleeping, they can also wake up. Then you can just get everything out of the oil. So to my returning subscribers, you guys are welcome. Thank you so much for coming back to watch today's video. I really do appreciate you all. You guys are the best subscriber ever, like so I really do appreciate you all. If you are new here for the first time, you are also welcome. Please don't forget to subscribe before the end of this video so that you will not miss out any other video like this on my channel. So now it's time for me to strain out this oil. So be careful while doing this because this oil is so special. So now I just went off camera to kind of be careful so that I will not waste this marvelous lossless oil. So now I will just use my hand to press out all the oil. Just look at that. Just negodo something. Oh god. So guys, this is how you have to make this oil. If you cannot wait for 1 month to infuse this, you can also infuse it for 1 week, then you start using it. Okay, try to infuse it so that all the benefits can still be intact. Okay, so now after straining everything, this is how my oil is looking like. Guys, just look at that. Just look at how thick and well prepared this oil is. All the benefits, they are so much intact. So now I'm just going to be adding my vitamin E oil to this so it can help me to long the life of this product, and also had a lot of benefit from vitamin inside this product, inside this amazing oil. Okay, so guys, yeah, I have my DIY infused oats and fenugreek and clove oil for my hair growth. So now I add a vitamin E oil to that, then I will just mix it again so everything can combine well together. So guys, here I have my oil. As you can see, this oil is so amazing. You can use it as a pre-poo, you can use it to deep condition your hair, you can use it to moisturize your hair, you can use it as many ways. You can use the oil, you can even make a grease out of this. So thank you so much for watching today's video, and I will see you all on my next one. Stay safe and have fun. I love you all. Bye bye. Thank you for your love. I really do appreciate. Please try to make this for yourself. You are going to love it. Ciao.